Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program that takes a list of strings as input and outputs a new list containing the first three characters of each string. So given a list of strings as input to the Python program, so you have to take the first three characters of each string and you have to put it into a new list and you have to output it. That is, you have to print onto the standard output. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So I have to accept the list of strings from the user. So let's use the empty list and try to fill this with the list of strings. So let me take a length variable and ask a user to enter the number of strings. So let's use input function and here let's say enter number of strings. Yeah, so once the user enters it, so let's convert it into an integer type. So now we'll be using a list. So let's take strings and initialize it to an empty list. This is strings. Yeah, so we need to fill this list with the strings. So let's accept the input from the user. So I'll be using the for loop until the list length and iterating. So I'll use underscore because I don't need the index, and let's use in range of length. This is length, and I'll take a that is a temporary string and ask a user to enter the string. So let's use a string as a temp variable and again use the input function call to ask a user to enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, it will be stored in this variable. So let's use append, that is a built-in function to append the given string into a strings. So let me take strings dot built-in function, that is append, and use a temp variable, that is string, to append it. Yeah, so this is a method to, that is input the list of strings into your program. So now we need to get the new list, that is new list containing the first three characters of each string. So again let's initialize a empty list, that is new underscore list, and let's take a empty list variable. So we'll be filling this with the first three characters of each string. So let's use the for loop to iterate all the strings present in this string and take out the first three characters and put it into a new list. So let's use for string in strings. So iterating all the items present in the list and appending it to the new list, that is new underscore list dot append. So let's use a string slicing method. So let's take a, that is string variable, and let's take the first three characters. So in order to take the first three characters, so let's use a colon and 3. So this will append the, that is first three characters of each string into a new list. Yeah, so once we are done framing a new list, so let's use a print function to print the new list. So let me use print function, that is the new list containing, that is first three characters of each string is, let's use dot dot dot, and here let's directly print the new underscore list. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that takes a list of strings as input and outputs a new list containing the first three characters of each string. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the number of strings. So let's give 3. Let's say hello, A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see the new list containing the first three characters is, you can see hello, hell and ABC, and then 1 to 3 has been printed. You can see here 4 has been skipped, D has been taken out, and LO has been taken out. So let me re-execute it and now enter the number of strings. So let's give again 2 and let's say hello and here AB. So you can see the new list containing the first three characters is hell, and here AB has been printed. That is, it doesn't contain three characters. So the length is itself is a 2. So it has printed 2 over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that takes a list of strings as input and outputs a new list containing the first three characters of each string. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.